Good morning children. In the last class we have learnt exercise 2b fully, and today's class we are going to learn the topic factorization and prime factorization. Writing a number as a product of two or more numbers is called factorization. When you write number 6 as 2 into 3, product of two or more numbers. So when you multiply 2 into 3, we call it as factorization. Writing a number as a product of two or more numbers. And when a number is written as a product of prime numbers, we call it as a prime factorization. So prime factorization, we have two methods. One is splitting the numbers and writing as prime numbers. 2 into 81, 162. 81 can be written as 3 into 27, and again 27 can be written as 3 into 9. So this is one method. Another alternate method is using the prime factorization method. This is the easiest method to find the prime factorization, the division method. So now we are going to learn this exercise 2C. Express each of the following as a product of prime numbers. The question is to express the numbers as a product of prime numbers. They have not asked any specific method. We are going to use this LCM method to find the prime factorization. Your first problem, 36. So I have written 36 and we are going to use only the prime numbers. I am going to start with the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 table 3 will come, 1 will not come. Instead 1 2 is to carry over 1. 16, 8 2s are 16, and 2 table 9 2s are 18. 9 will not come in 2 tables, so 3 table 3 3s are 9. Again 3 one time. So 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Product of prime numbers. And problem number 4, 240. 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 0. Again 2 table, 6 2s are 12. Again 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 0. 2 table, 15 2s are 30. 15 will not come in 2 tables, so we are moving up to the next prime number 3. 3 table, 5 3s are 15. 5 table 1 time. So now we are going to express 240 as product of prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And seventh problem, 1680. When you look at the last number, it is 0. So when a number ends with a 0, it will be surely divided by 2 table, 5 table, 10 table. So we are going to start with the lowest prime number 2. 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 0 again. 2 table, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 0. Again 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is to 0. Now 21, so 3 table it will be coming, so I will be using 3 table. 7 3s are 21, 0 again. 2 table, 3 2s are 6, carry over 1, 10, 5 2s are 10. 35 will not come in 2 table, 3 table, so we are moving up to 5 table. 5 table, 7 5s are 35, 7 in 7 table alone, so 1 time. So 1680 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 7. Problem number 11, 23,595. Your rightmost digit is 5. So surely the number will be divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. 23 minus 20 is 3. So when you bring it to the next number 2, it will be becoming 35. 7 5s are 35. And 1 5 is 5. For 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Carry over 45. So 9 5s are 45. So your rightmost digit is 9. We will be doing it by 3 table. 1 3 is 3. Carry over 1. 5 3s are 15. Carry over 2. 21. 7 3s are 21. And 3 3s are 9. If you have a number 3, you can try it by 3 table. I am trying it by 11 table. 1 11 is 11. 4 47. 4 times 44, carry over 3, 33, so 3 times. 143. Again 11 table, it is your 1 11 is 11, carry over 3, 33. So 3 times 13. So 13 will be coming in 13 table alone and 1 table. So 13 table, 113 is 13. 13 ones are 13. So the prime factor of 25,595 is equal to 5 into 3 into 11 into 11 into 13. In this same model, you are going to solve the remaining problems from the exercise 2C and send the images of your homework to my personal number, and whatever sums I have did now, copy in your classwork. Thank you, students.